So, good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for the joining today in the Zoho Creator Master Workshop. So, my name is Vivek, and I'm Zoho Certified Developer, and as a part of Codroid IT Labs. So, we have already implementations of big multinational companies or the corporations and helping him to automate his businesses with the help of Zoho applications. So basically, the Zoho applications help us businesses to automate his manual tasks. So as a Zoho certified developer, we dealing with the lots of manufacturing industry, pharmaceutical industries, and lots more. So this workshop is designed to help you to understand how to build the powerful business application using the Zoho Creator with the minimal coding or even no coding at all. Whether you are a business owner or developer, part of any operation team. Today's sessions will give you a real practical skills you can apply immediately inside your Zoho applications. So what is the Zoho Creator? So I will be share my screen. I share my whole screen. Okay. I hope you will see my screen. So the Zoho Creator is a help that is basically a low code platform which is help every businesses to uh, make his process without knowing extra coding stuffs. It's just helping to uh, with the help of low code platform, you can build your own application, your own process, and own automation, own workflows, process funnels, inventory management softwares, and lots more inside the Zoho community. So they have a testimonials and review. If you go to the zoho.com/creator/custom uh, customers.html, you can find out they have a lots of reviews and testimonials here, where the every organizations uh, every organizations mention his uh, like how the Zoho creator giving us more and more values and more profit because it's helping us to saving his time. So that is a number where 22,000 business in the worldwide using the Zoho creator. So that is a big famous multinational company. That's name is a BigBasket.com. Big Basket. The head of his Big Basket, Mr. Vinayak Gangawati. So he's also giving a review about how Zoho Creator help his businesses. So if you will be going to be this website, you can find lots of reviews, testimonials of multiple worldwide organizations, um, reviews here. In the Zoho Creator, 6 million applications basically built inside the Zoho Creator. So, because we are on the Indian market and working with the Indian clients, Indian customers, so the Indian customers have a curiosity: what is the price range of the Zoho Creator, and how this creator will be help us to uh, automate our business and how it's giving me a best ROI, return of investment. So, so as a trusted partner, we have responsibilities to showcase you what is the actual price of the Zoho Creator. I will be share my screen where you can check out the per user post of the Zoho Creator. So if you see the Zoho Creator have a multiple plans, or the Zoho Corporation have the plans where the Zoho Creator also come in the Zoho One Bundle plan and the Zoho standalone application, Zoho Creator standalone application also. So as a developer, we want to be know like that's a monthly pricing rate in the Zoho Creator standalone application is a 1,500 rupees. And if you go to the yearly basis, it's 12,000 plus GST post. So when we are talking about the Zoho One Bundle plan, so Zoho One Bundle plan is a 45 plus application packed plan where you already included Zoho Creator here already. So I will also share my screen to how much price of the Zoho One Bundle plan. So that is a Zoho One Bundle plan where the Zoho Creator also including there. So if you go to the monthly base plan, it's a 2,500 and yearly base is a 15,000 per month plan. So Zoho Creator do everything with to automate. If you want to be automate your businesses and if you want to be streamline your process, the Zoho Creator build for you. So we will go to our slides. So I will be share my screens to the slide options. So I hope it's visible to you. Um, so please tell me, is that visible to you? The slide. So once again, welcome back to welcome to my this workshop where we learn how can we use this Zoho Creator. And once again, I appreciated all the attendees, which we want to be learn how this process is basically how the Zoho Creator help your businesses. So what the Code Lab is basically a Zoho officially Zoho partner. So we are reselling the Zoho products like Zoho Creator, Zoho CRM, and the inventories and Zoho One Bundle plan. So as a developer, we will build we will help the many industries automate his manual work. So second one is why we are using the Zoho Creator for our businesses. So Zoho Creator is a application. It is a low code application which you don't have to be need to doing any programming languages. Suppose if you want to be build an application where have lots of traditional programming. That's also called a pro code uh, application, or pro code means applications. So if you are Zoho, if you use a Zoho creator, they have a drag and drop options here. So you can use this drag and drop options and build your any applications and automate your business in just a 15 days. You don't have a need to be uh, when you are working with the traditional programming language. So it will be a take a times like 15, I mean 30s, or I mean more than a 3 months to building any raw with a with the raw man any application. So, but the in the Zoho Creator, that's low code platform help you to easily build any applications and with the minimal timing. It also reduces the IT complexities. So suppose if you don't want to be going to be inside the servers, database, and any security like that things features, you don't want to be go to there. So low code platform is basically helping to you, uh, help you to. So it's also integrated with the third party applications. Like if you want to be uh, integrate with, because in India they have many clients who are using the Indian Mart, Just Dial, or that that platform to generating a leads. Or in the foreign country, they have own Apollo.io and like many other third party um, application where he just generated the leads. So it's when you're working on the Zoho Creator, it is also helping you to generate the leads. It's helping you to integrate it with the third party applications and generating leads inside your Zoho Creator. So and you don't have need to be using any backend database like Graph SQL, or this thing. In the Zoho Creator, it is automatically giving you when you are purchasing or enroll this application. It's by default it's giving you a database. So it's a system defined database. You just enter the data and you just save the all logs. It is a more secure version. So if you want to be know about how the Zoho is secure my private data or my data, my client data or my company data, so I will also showcase you how the Zoho Creator is um, a secure your data. I will be share my screen, other screen. So I hope you see my screen. This is a basically when you go into the zoho.com.compliance.html, where you find out they have a lots of certifications here. So Zoho have own like certified by international certification where uh, uh, that is proof that your data is a fully secure in the Zoho data centers. Zoho have own global data centers, so it is ensure your data is like protected, uh, inside this data center. You don't have need to worry about that stuff. So if you figure out like what things just mention here, you read out all the stuffs, privacy information management stuffs and cloud services and lots of things here. He just his operation, you find out everything, and that certification is basically a proof about how they have uh, the Zoho Corporation is protect your data, so you don't have worry about your privacy and uh, about data. So we will go to our presentations. So to get me started, like how can we build the application inside the Zoho Creator? So first of all, when you when you go to inside the Zoho login page, so when you type www.zohocreator.com, you're just typing inside the Google creator.zoho.com. So the first panel, the first website is come. That's the officially website of the Zoho Corporation. So to the Zoho Creator login site. So like when you are first time logging in the Zoho Creator, the pop-up will become. So sign up, give the information and sign up on this creator platform. So first time, uh, after the successful sign up, you just you must have logged in inside the Zoho Creator applications. So first you type your email IDs, and then second type your password, and then click on the sign in. You can they have an alternative way to also sign in inside your Zoho Creator. Just click on the Zoho email OTP. After the successful completing the sign in, you can see your dashboards. You can see your first panel. So companies and organizations navigate his Zoho Creator on this panel, or use this application to this panel. So I will also show my Zoho Creator. I will be show my whole screen, which is help you to entire screen. Okay, I hope so everything is good. Okay. So this is my Zoho application. This is my the Zoho Creator application. So you can find out there is a lots of applications built inside the Zoho Creator. They have professional manufacturing applications, testing applications, and do data testing, CRM reports, student applications for forms, data and report, and QR code. So as a Zoom partners, we will also build lots of applications inside the Zoho Creator. So you can see this application, which is already created inside the Zoho Creator. So you can see these things. They have a forms. They have a database where you can um, record your data, and based on the data they have also a dashboard that's called the page, where you can check out how many totals revenues generated, total unit price, how many shipped, or how many orders you have get, available orders, all inventory movements. So you can also track these things inside your first dashboard panel. So Zoho Creator also give you that type of information. So Zoho Creator have a capabilities to do everything, every prospect, every process inside this low code platform. So if you manufacturing industry, if you have your manufacturing industry, because in this time manufacturing industry is so complex industry. So if you have a complex process, uh, you thought it's not created any, it's not like in the any particular applications inside the Zoho, like so it is not in have inside the Zoho inventory or like that. So you also definitely go to Zoho Creator platform. So Zoho Creator platform help you to automate your all process and streamline your all process into the particular manners. So suppose you have you have a process where you can integrate it with your ERP, fetch the all the data to the ERP and calculate some of the values, and based on the calculation you will be are showing the output inside your Zoho Creator. So that is also visible inside this application, this low code platform. If you want to send the reporting day, every day, every 6 p.m. in the working timing, so you can also do these things inside the Zoho Creator. So first of all, I will be showcase you. So this is the basically a left panel where inside the solutions. Why the name of this solution? Because as a developer, like we will build a solution for the businesses for the multinational companies or startups uh, or any company which is want to be a solution for his business. So that's why its module name is solutions. So here you can find out all the application, and based on the filters you will be uh, you will be filter out applications like created times. Just search on it, production only. You can find only filter out only those application which is production only, installed app, then CRM apps. So based on this thing, you can this filter, you can filter out all the applications. So here is microservices also. So microservices is a chunk of component or chunk of connections or data source of or API or custom modules, which is help you to make your application more powerful. So suppose if you want to be integrate if you want to be extract some data inside your PDF, so you can use microservices. They have a model that they have a AI models that is OCR model. OCR is optical character readers, which is help you to extract the PDF data inside your Zoho Creator. That is a so much powerful tool which is do anything for you. So they have a lots of components, API connection, data source, custom API. You can build anything here. They have also an environment. If you want to be, because like as a developer, whenever we are working on the applications, what we do here, we will use the GitHub. So we will using the GitHub. So inside the GitHub, what we do, we are not pushing any data or directly to the production branch. What we do, we will fork the branch, and fork means copy the branch, and basically pull the this branch inside our local machine, and using this code inside our Visual Studio Code, and after the successfully fixing the bug or adding some extra feature um, inside our applications, what we do, we will push this data into the branch. After the successfully admin review all the code, and if the admin or branch admin or developer will be find out this this code is perfectly fixed, or this whole component is perfectly good, so he just do push this, approve this, and push to this inside your GitHub section. So that's a similar thing here inside the low code platform, inside the Zoho Creator. You can push. First of all, you can create an environment here where the development environment and the staging and the production environment is a three separate database. Where in the development environment, the developers will be work here, and the push into the stage environment. The client is testing the component and issues, if it is a fix, or if it is properly working the client is basically satisfied with his work, so the developers will be pushed inside the production. So that is also an environment. That is a in a this is basically environment, how the environment is work. So we are going to be a mobile sections. So Zoho Creator have a powerful feature that is called the mobile section. If you want to be launch your application inside the Zoho Creator, if you want to be launch your applications inside the Play Store or any other platform, or share your applications, so that is also a powerful. They have also a powerful feature that's called the mobile, creating the mobile applications. So based on the SDK, you can use this features and build your applications and push this application into the Play Store also. So they also have a portals users, or do you have any any questions or anything? So please ask me uh, like if you want to be asked any questions regarding that stuff, please ask me. You can also use the chat box. Okay. So we will go to be a next part. They have a portal users. If you want to be share this application to particular users who is not a part of your internal team or internal it's not a part of your Zoho One bundle, and it's not part of your directories or of your Zoho One license. So what you do here, you can use the portal user. The portal user help you to uh, share your application with any user, and this user you also giving the permissions to add the data, doing any operation. Like if you want to be like this user, external user, create your data, update your data, and delete also your data, so you can do any access permission to those portal users. So suppose a person of a I'm just giving examples. A person, suppose a person who working on working on the warehouse, and he want to be like the management say that I don't want to be give the licenses because I don't want to be purchase extra license with this particular warehouse person. I just want it because warehouse person has changed every time. So I don't want to be give him to a particular portion, a particular license. So based on these situations, so the portal users help the management to doing any CRUD operations like updation, deletions, or any inside the Zoho creator. Inside the Zoho creator, that portal users is basically help. So inside the Zoho One Bundle plan, they have given you a three portal users. If you want to be add extra portal users, so that is also a features. So inside the add-ons, you can also add the portal users based on your requirements. So they have a multiple things. They have a users. If I'm clicking user, so I'm going to be it will be redirect me to the Zoho One bundle admin panel. So I'm just cross right now. So inside the Zoho creator, they have a organizations module also, where you can attach your organization image, logo, favicon, address, email ID, and phone numbers, or multiple preference. If you want to, if you have any securities compliance or security policies, so which you want to be share with your clients or with your customers, so you can configure your security policy here. If you want to your custom authentications, suppose if you want to be authenticate your applications with the SSO, so it is also helping you to do these things. If you want to configure your domain, that thing also feasible here. If you want to see how many times this applications logged in user, how many logged in user, how many activities is done inside the Zoho creator, that is also feasible. That is also, you can see also these things here. So here is a particular dashboard where you see this, how many application is accessed, ideal time, application hit count, and daily average hit for this application. And you can also see the user activity, what the particular user do inside your applications. You can also fetch your portal users or portal user activities. So that is also possible inside to Zoho creator. You can also find out every prospect here. So inside the operation, that is also very helpful for your organizations. You can back up your applications and back up your application. It will be helping you to you know back up your schemas, back up your datas, or back up your whole applications database also. So in a monthly basis, weekly basis, based on your requirements. So it is helping you to secure your applications with the unauthorized removal or like that. They have audit trials, email management, domain distractions. If you don't want to be restrict any particular domain to here, you can also do this. If you want to be API management, they have blueprint analytics, logs. You can publish form emails, marketplace, support access, and ZIA integration also there. So one by one in the upcoming session, we will be learn about that stuffs. So I will be going to be a next part. So how can you create the application inside the Zoho creator? So first of all, inside the Zoho creator, that is a panel that called the create app solutions. So if I am clicking the solutions, so I'm going to be a create a solutions. So you can find out they have a multiple options here. Create from the ZIA, create from the scratch, create from the gallery, and import from the files. So they have a multiple options here. So if you are thinking on the create from the ZIA, so ZIA is basically uh, ZIA is basically a tool. ZIA is a own LLM model of Zoho corporations, so which is helping you to create your own applications. So if you are giving any prompt inside there, so it will be automatically based on your prompt. It will be automatically create your professional application for you. They have also option create from the scratch. If you want to be create your application from the scratch, you will be definitely do these things. If you want to be create from the galleries, suppose if you have already a applications, you just pick your application, built-in application, and just create use those applications. If you have any DB files, so you can also use this import from files. You can also create an application from import from file. So they have also own schema that's called the DBM. So that is when you are uploading these DBM files inside the Zoom creator, it will be automatically create particular applications inside the Zoho, inside this Zoho Creator. So they have a multiple options. So after the successful creating the applications, here is the options when you creating a blank, when you creating the blank option, creating your own way. So they have options that's called I just show you when I clicking the create applications or creating from the scratch, and I'm just writing so creator workshop, and that is also a option. I had C option that's called the enable environment, but in this time I don't want to be create the environment. I'm just clicking on create and create a new form, and he just say me what you want to do, import from data using Zia, or there is also options using any particular templates. So I'm clicking the create form. Um, so forms, or based on your requirements, you can see that there is a multiple options inside the Zoho Creator. That is a name, email, address, field, single line, multiple line. If you are working, like if you ever had working on the any content management systems like WordPress, Joomla, or like any content management system, they have also option that called the drag and that is also similar options like drag and drop. So suppose if you have want to a name inside your application, just drag and drop those applications, and you can uh, you can use this application, use this field inside your Zoho Creator. If you want to if you want to ask any questions regarding this whole things, you can also ask me. Um, so adding the fields in your fields and forms, you can check out these things. After they have also a Zia integrations. So suppose if you want to be create any further workflows or any further forms or like that, you can use Zia integration features inside your Zoho Creator. Inside the operation and integrated with the Zia, and just use the API keys. You can also try. You can also build these applications. After the successful creating the application, you have also an option that called the reporting. So reporting is basically a must part. Like when you are successful finish your creator application, so the management want to be a reports of those all the data. So after the successfully completed the applications, so you can see here, you can see here they have options called the reports. When you go to the report section, you have an option called the reports. You can configure your own report based on the forms. So based on the forms, you can create your own reports. So we just reordering these things, and I also tell you the environment thing. So um, environment is also a part of the Zoho Creator. So after the successfully build your application, you can also enable the environment part. There is a stage production and deployment panel, and the second option is user management also. So if you want to be manage your users, so but if like, because I already mentioned that things, if you purchasing the Zoho one bundle plan, so there is an option inside the Zoho one.zoho.com, so you can manage your employee or any person inside the Zoho one bundle plan. Or if you want to you already purchased this creator application, the standalone application, you can you can manage your user inside the Zoho Creator. They have a layout options also. So if you have uh, if you want to be suppose if you want to be a better layout in your Zoho Creator, so you can also do these stuffs. Just I will be show you. So suppose inside the this panel, and I don't want to be this type of layout inside this inventory management system. So what I do here, I will be just clicking on the edit applications, and after the successfully clicking the edit application, you can find out here they have options called the custom layout. If I'm clicking the custom layout and um, create new layout, so I have options. So based on my requirement, I will be pick any of this thing, any of this custom layout, or I creating from scratch. It will be giving you more flexibility to build my own custom applications based on my custom applications. So after that, successfully creating my own custom templates, so custom layout, I will be going to be next part. That is called the mobile SDK configuration. So inside the mobile SDK configuration, you have a feasibility to create your mobile application. If you want to be publish this application, so creator application uh, so, um, inside the ISO application, ISO mobile or Apple mobile, or in Android mobile, you can also publish this application in the Play Store or ISO store, Apple Store. So that is also giving you feasibilities to with the help of mobile SDK, software development kit. So suppose like you created a form where the public came and fill the data of his. So what you do here, you will be just publish those particular form, uh, and it will be visible to other external users also. So like after the successfully publishing the form, you can find out they have giving you a permalink embedded code. So based on the permalink or embedded code, you can just configure this permalink and embedded code inside your any website or any application. You can use those things. So that is also helping you to publish your forms. I already mentioned you about the microservices. So microservices helping you to microservices helping you to enhance your capabilities of your Zoho Creator applications. If you want to be use AI modules or any other modules inside the Zoho Creator, you can use the microservices. Like they have also options that's called the filtering options. So if you want to be filters based on the reports, that is also feasible inside there. You can just filter all these things. Embedded views, you can embedded views inside the, if you want to be Zoho Analytics inside a Zoho Creator, so that is also possible. Exporting data, if you want to be export your data, so you can also export these things. Doing the scripting and that things, you can also do this inside your scripting. Sending mailings, you can also continue. So if you have any questions regarding that stuff, so you can ask or ping me on that things. So thank you so much for joining this webinar, and I hope you can learn lots of things, lots of things. So thank you so much.